I just went to the garden and look what I have. Bountiful harvest of tomatoes. And as I've committed the last time, we'll be demonstrating today how to can tomatoes for future use. We don't need this. The small ones, the cherry tomatoes, I'll be making tomato jam with this. And there's a video on that which is now showing. It's been posted. The link is here and in the description box. But today we are canning the tomatoes. As I've mentioned, I need here a bath, water bath for this, and sterilized jars, which I already did. What we do is to simply fill the jars with the tomatoes, entire tomatoes. We're not making here tomato sauce. We're canning tomatoes for recipes in the future which require tomatoes like affrittata. All those tomato sauce based dishes, they also need entire tomatoes. This is good. How about that? We can force the tomatoes. We already have two. If they don't fit, we can also slice them. That's what we do with the bigger ones. Okay, give it away. For the big ones, I'm going to chop them. That's where our knife comes in. Halves or quarts, as long as they fit the jar. This is good. One more. I won't be able to do all. I don't have enough jars. So just to demonstrate, we'll be making just 4. The rightmost. Just wash our hands, and next we add water to the jars. Don't fill it yet, because we need to add vinegar as well. 1 tablespoon of vinegar for each of the jars. The purpose is to increase the acidity and to increase the shelf life. Vinegar, 1 teaspoon for every jar. More than that will not hurt, but just approximate. Did I say teaspoon? Tablespoon, rather. There's still a leaf here. More water here. If you notice, the water level is not to the brim. Leave this much. And then we cover the lid, put on the lid. Hand tighten. Let me talk about this. Later, we should be able to hear this up. That means that there's a vacuum seal. Water is now boiling. I can add, or I can put the jars now. Oh! It's not totally submerged. I can add more water. I can start boiling it. I'll be adding more water. We don't need to pressure cook that. All we need is at sea level. All we need is 30 minutes of boiling. That kills all the bacteria. And while this boils, it's now around 15 minutes. I'm making here the jam. Save time. And while this cooks, it's been, I think, more than 15 minutes. 15 more. I'm preparing here the tomato jam. My second batch this year. Perfectly. 30 minutes. Well, it's time to turn it off. I just turn it off, and for safety, I'm going to bring it there. Make it lower. Yeah. What else? I don't have the proper tool, but at least I have this safety. What's this? Safety mitten. They're still wet, but I can hardly wait to present them. Canned tomato harvest of summer 25. They're still hot. In fact, they're still tight. We'll wait until they pop, meaning they have established their seal, and we can keep them in the shop for future use.